Hi, my name is Carlos Tanga and I am an architect and an illustrator. Over the years, I have collaborated with different editorial publications and I have launched my own book series, I Am the City, published by Moleskine. I have also illustrated the children's book Zaha Hadid, published by Raumetallic and Maxi. Since prehistoric times, human beings have tried to represent three-dimensional reality around us on a 2D flat plane. Art is about learning from masters of the past to find the strength to break the rules and create something new. Perspective is a technique that helps us depict exterior and interior spaces, but it can also transform radically what lies in front of us. All we need is a different vision. In this Domestika course, I will teach you the magical art of perspective by unveiling the secrets of the classical rules and guiding you to the creation of your personal vision. For your final project, you will choose an interior space to depict it using different kinds of perspectives. I will teach you what artistic perspective is, why it is important, and the first prehistoric attempts to represent three dimensions. We will then move on to the Greeks and Chinese, passing through the Middle Age up until the innovative vanishing point perspective of the 15th century. Next, you will discover this revolutionary perspective technique. You will learn how to draw with 1 and 2 vanishing points. We will focus on our own vision. Rules are made to be broken, but remember to maintain an intrinsic harmony within your work. Finally, I will give you some tips for interior design representation. By the end of this course, you will be able to use different perspective techniques to draw architectural, interior or exterior space. You will only need paper, pencil and rulers. Learn how to create traditional perspective and break the rules to find your own vision.